In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete filters in Looker Studio, a process that we'll have down packed in just about 5 minutes. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open up Looker Studio in your preferred web browser. Make sure you're logged in with the correct credentials so you have access to all your reports. Looker Studio is a powerful tool for business analytics that gives you the insights needed to make informed business decisions, but sometimes we need to clean up or adjust our data, and this involves managing filters. Once you're in Looker Studio, you'll want to navigate to your reports section. This is typically located on the left panel of the Looker Studio interface. If you're familiar with the platform, this should be easy to find. By opening this section, you're accessing all your reports where you might want to edit or delete certain filters. After you've clicked on reports, the next step is to select the specific report you wish to edit. This is the fun part, as you get to choose where you'd like to make those necessary changes. You should see a list of your available reports. Click on the one where you want to modify the filters. With your report open, you should notice an edit option. It usually stands out on the toolbar. You will need to click on this edit button. Now you're in editing mode, which is where all the magic happens. This allows you to make any necessary adjustments to your report's layout, design, and data, giving you full control. Next, direct your attention to the data section. This is a critical area because it's here that you'll manage your datasets, including the filters that could be cluttering your insights. Clicking on data will open up a whole range of metrics and dimensions connected to your report. Now it's time to hunt for those filters. They are typically found under the filter section of your data settings. Take your time to locate them, especially if you have multiple data sources linked to your report. Once you find the filter you want to delete, it's simply a matter of selecting it. Often, just beside each filter, there will be an option to remove or delete. Click this option, and just like that, you've tidied up your data perspective. And there you have it. You've just learned how to delete unwanted filters in Looker Studio with ease. Remember, cleaning up your data can lead to better insights, so it's definitely worth the time to make sure your reports are as accurate as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to come back for more helpful tips and tutorials.